feeling too hot is now a thing of the past. The PolarSeal GEMM is a wearable, pocket-sized air conditioner. The PolarSeal GEMM gives you instant cooling or instant heat at the touch of a button. The GEMM's neck module incorporates state-of-the-art thermoelectric semiconductors. This miniaturized system is the result of 2 years of research and development. The neck module creates the desired cooling or heating that is then spread throughout the user's body. From the small control module, users can easily switch between the cooling or heating modes, which make the PolarSeal GEMM a product for all seasons. Compact, lightweight, and discreet, the GEMM features a stealth mode, whereby the main button lighting on the control device is turned off, while the device continues to cool or heat you. The cooling plus heating module and the control module are linked together thanks to the GEMM's magnetic connector cables, which feature gold-plated tips and allow users to put on or take apart their GEMM in seconds and break down the device into highly portable, pocket-sized modules. The GEMM is a wearable device so revolutionary, so useful, so liberating, it will change the way you experience heat or cold. We designed the PolarSeal GEMM so that no one would ever have to feel